Good night, teacher. My name is Adriana. I live near La Cumbre. The last summer, I went to Santa Marta, more exactly, El Rodadero. It's a beautiful place. I went with my boyfriend Armando. The trip was cheapy because we paid together. We stayed 8 days in a nice hotel, nice room, and a spectacular view. We enjoyed in the week because we were in the beach and we were in the park dancing. Armando and I were very happy. Stage 2. What you can do? You should go to disco Saturday night. You should protect your skin from the sun. You should not go without alone in the Saturday at night. You should be careful in deep water. Stage 2. Advice. When you go to Santa Marta, you should go to Rodadero. It's a nice beach with many things beautiful and have a nice look. When you go to Santa Marta, you should not receive free sample because afterward you will independent with all the service received. Thank you, teacher.